Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden Plate. I help viewers who are gardeners that love to cook utilize their harvest year-round by garden planning, preserving methods, and recipes. That right there is Sally. You'll see her a lot in the background. She's my supervisor, making sure there's some quality assurance around here. In today's episode, I'm making beef barbacoa, and what I'm utilizing from the harvest to make it year-round is the Mexican seasoning I made from dehydrating peppers and herbs. That is an amazing combo. And also peppers that I chopped up previously from the harvest and put them into the airtight bags and just threw them into the pre-chopped, cleaned, and ready to go. The Garden to Plate Journal is an important part of my process for utilizing the harvest year-round. It eliminates waste and helps stay on top of the garden needs. To purchase a copy that is printable, click on the link in the description. Having a variety of onions adds such complexity to the overall flavor. Warm up the seasoning in a mortar and pestle and make sure it's at its fullest potential. The chopped poblanos and jalapenos are very convenient because they were froze and washed and everything and ready. Once translucent, add in the seasoning. It will make sure it absorbs right into the onion and also will warm up the seasoning as well to also reach another layer of flavor profile. Mix the peppers in. Once the seasoning is warmed up for a couple of minutes, saute them for 5 minutes, so therefore they release their flavors. Add the mixture into the bottom of the slow cooker. Then you're going to add in the chipotle sauce and then chop the whole peppers. The adobo sauce is incredible. It has so much flavor and truly complements everything. Chop the chipotles whole and then place them into the slow cooker as well. The chuck roast was pre-seasoned with the Mexican and put into the fridge an hour ahead of time. Mix everything till well combined, then add in the jalapeno beef broth. Good tip, fill the container with filtered water, shake it really well, and then pour it in, so therefore you get all of the flavoring and recycle the container afterwards. No waste. Plus you can fill the layer up over the beef. The beef base adds a roasting flavor for many hours, so this is excellent to use. I only use 1 spoonful of that. Mix everything together and you're going to cook between 3 to 4 hours. After 3.5 hours have passed, you're going to want to check the tenderness of the beef. Just take a couple pieces out, throw it in a bowl, and then you're going to grab a couple of forks, and then you're just going to see how easy it will pull away from each other. If it looks really tender and easy to move, that's when you remove everything and shred. The reason you put the beef back into the slow cookers, you want it to absorb for at least a half hour before serving because it really adds to the flavor profile of the beef. And of course, you're gonna put it on some tacos. If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Thank you very much for viewing.